When two vowel men go out walking, the first man does the talking and says his name. The second man will not say anything. Because he's too busy looking for robots. So here we have Mr. E and Mr. A. So here we have Mr. E. And he says his name, E. And Mr. A says his name, A. But together, we only hear Mr. E who says E. We don't hear Mr. A because Mr. A is too busy looking for robots. So when they're together, they make the sound E. E-A are in words such as meet and also read. And also in the word bean. Remember, when two vowel men go out walking, the first vowel man does the talking because the second vowel man's looking for robots. Bye-bye!